Hello everyone and welcome to part 3 of the Canva beginner course. My name is Raymond. I know I'm always introducing myself, but I think I should for those who are listening for the first time. And if you're also listening for the first time, I'd advise you watch the introduction, part 1 and part 2, so that you can catch up with today's session. This is part 3 of the Canva beginner course. So today we'll be looking at your interface, where you actually modify your templates and make them into anything you want it to be. So now there are certain templates here, so we'll be selecting one, and I'll use it to show you what the interface in editing for Canva looks like. So let me see which one of you. Okay, let's use this. So yes, and before I forget, this is the free version of Canva. This is not my paid version I'm using. And funny, this is the first time I'm actually using the paid version, so I don't know. Sorry, I'm actually using the free version, so I don't know what will actually be allowed here, because I'm already used to the paid version, which is full. It has everything. So but let's still work with what we have and see what we can come up with. So yes, this is the template we selected to work on. And one thing about Canva is you can edit basically everything you can lay your hands on. Everything on your screen. If you notice, I am clicking each and every component on this screen. I'm moving them out, so you can change, move, edit anything you find in your template. Everything here is editable. So all you now need is just be creative. As long as you can be creative, you can. The sky is your limit in Canva. So all this can be edited. All you just have to do is click on it. It will bring out a highlight to show you what you've actually clicked on. Then you can use this cursor right here whenever it appears to move it, but there are cases where that cursor won't appear, so all you have to do is put your hand on whatever object you want to move, and then just place it wherever you want it to be. So, and then if you want to undo anything you've done previously, you want to probably take it back or something, you can always click here. This is to undo, and this is to redo. So you go back to undo, and you go front to redo what you've done before. So now let's get our template back to where it was. Yes, so you can undo back to where you started from and start all over again. Yeah, or for whatever reason, you can just go back to where you started from and get your template back and maybe start again to edit. So yeah, we have some features here. So let's start with the first one. The first one is edit. Now here you can change the words. By clicking on edit. That's when you've actually selected what you wish to edit. Then you change it to whatever you want to change it to. Or another way you can do this is by just double clicking on it, and it will highlight, and then you just clear and add whatever you want. So that's how you edit any text in Canva. Remember, I said either, sorry, let me take this back. So you select the text, or you select whatever you want to edit. So now it will bring out the features here for that particular object you want to edit. So for example, now this is a text. It will bring out edit for you to edit the text. Now, say you select a picture, it will bring out replace. Replace is for you to change the picture to another one. You can now go to your go to your gallery from here and bring in a picture, or you click replace directly and it replaces this picture with another one on the same spot. So if you want to replace this picture here with another one so that it will go into the same spot, you use replace. But if you want to put a picture on the background, just a picture on the background, and now fix it where you want to fix it, then you come here and add. But we'll get to that soon. We're still talking about the features on the text editor. So edit is to edit the text. Yeah. Font, there are loads of fonts on Canva. Well, I don't know. Okay, for the free version, I can see that some of the fonts are not allowed for use. Wow. But on the premium version, all these fonts are all yours. You just pick away, choose whichever one you want to use and use it. But well, there are still other fonts you can use here, but that's just the limit with the free version. You don't get all the things you're actually supposed to get with the premium version. So let's see. We've changed the text. Now you see another option below here that says change all. Now what that is trying to tell you is, once you click on change all, let's say we click on change all the texts on the screen that are bold will change to the text I selected. The other texts won't change because they were actually not the same kind of font with the one I just changed now. So if you notice, the two fonts that have changed so far are just this one and this one because they were the same fonts before. So what change all does is it changes all the fonts that are the same with the one you just changed. It changes all of them to the same new one you want to use. So let's say we select this one now and we want to edit. Oh sorry, we want to change font, not edit. So we select and we want to change font. So let's say we select this font. It will still ask you if you want to change all. So let's change all and see what happens. Okay, sorry, let me use something that will be more pronounced and obvious for everyone to see. Yeah, if you noticed, these fonts here have changed. they've changed. This ones, I think the difference is now quite obvious. So that's just the job of change all the changes, the fonts that are the same on on the template, changes all of them for you. So you don't have to go and start changing each one to the new font you want to use. So if you're using the same font on all the texts on your template, it changes everything to the new text you want to use, or the new font you want to use. So that's for fonts. So we've reached the end of today's session. I want to thank you all for joining. I also would please ask that you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications for this video so that you get updates whenever we post a new one. I would also like to add that a lot of graphic designers have been exiting this group, or this community rather, and sending me messages, private messages. Well, I know they won't be happy because actually with this, a lot of people will move to Canva and not patronize their services. But I think the world is advancing, and with Canva, businesses are now one step closer to putting themselves online. Because once you have a good design and you're able to post your flyers on social media and other platforms, your business is already online. People will start sending you messages. The next thing you need to do is have good quality customer service, and that's it. You're online. There is no magic in it. It's not a big deal. The three major things you need to go online or start an online business is great design, unique advertising, and intelligent customer service. So with these three things, you're good to go in the online world. Because once you're able to have a good design, or let me start with the advertising. Once you're able to have a unique advertising plan where you can be able to get people, then you create a lovely design that can now attract those people. Because advertising is not just about putting up your ads and putting scrappy pictures. A lot of people will skip your ads, because I know countless ads have skipped just because the graphics or the design was very poor. So it's just a mindset. You just want to believe this person might not be able to offer what they claim they do if they can't be able to put up a unique design on their adverts. So once you have a unique design, even if you're not offering products that are as good as whatever, people will still come to you to find out what you do because your designs are awesome. So that's like the first step, creating something beautiful that will attract people. Then run your adverts with a unique strategy. Bring these people into your WhatsApp or your chat. Have a unique customer service or an intelligent customer service that can be able to respond and convert your leads to paying customers. So we'll discuss more on this on maybe another session, but for now we're talking more on Canva. So our next session will be communicated. It's a weekend, so definitely I would like to drop some more videos so that we can be able to achieve more this weekend. So with that, I would like to say thank you so much.
Welcome to rockopass.com.